Hello, you filthy animals. So we've got a little bit of diag here on this Passat. Got an interior light. This one's working. So we flick that. She's on. We flick that one. She don't do out. Yeah, I know the lens is bust. I need to fix that. But yeah, she's not lighting up. So we need to find out why it ain't lighting up. So you can change the modules if you want. You can just put that over to the other side. Don't really need to do that. We're going to use some wiring checks. Old school wiring checks. Multimeter. Yeah, for you guys out there, they do actually exist, lot. You don't have to have a snap on one. Other brands are available. So what we're going to do is going to show you a good one. And then we're going to show you just what's going on. We've got our lovely assistant here, Eugene. If you've ever met Eugene, he's on X Factor. Yeah, Google him. Honest to God. He's a librarian on X Factor. And Eugene's got two hands, right? So Eugene is going to operate that sun blind in a sec, or that shutter there. So we'll look at that now, right? We've got 12 volts on both sides. So if I pin two pins, look, in there, that's Eugene's hand. It looks like salad fingers. So we've got 12 volts on both wires, right? A circuit cannot work with two lives. In the comments, you can tell me, before I answer it, what does the circuit need? It's obviously got a live, but what else does it need? Anyway, let's carry on with the video. So we'll go on to the left pole, which honestly is well hard with one hand. So we've got multimeter on the left pole, and we've got battery voltage. Right, the battery is dying a little bit, so panic ye not. And Eugene's going to open that up. And we open that up. One, we've got a light just there in my hand, and it's fucked off down to earth. Hey presto, Eugene's going to close it again now. And when he closes it, ta-da! So we've got two lives. So it's giving it an earth to like make it light up. Sound fun? This side, however, is we're going to try and perform a reach around, aren't we, Eugene? We like a good reach around. For all you guys under the age of 18 out there, reach around means a cuddle. Done it, Eugene? He knows it. Ah, Eugene. Honestly, Google him, X Factor. Absolute legend he was. So, this is the 12 volts on the left side. And I'm on the right side. And again, we've got battery voltage. I know I say 12 volts. It's meant to be 12 volts, yeah. So we're going to open that up. All right. Hello, see me in a mirror. Cool as that. So now you should have light. We ain't got no light. And on the one where we saw an earth switched, which is that one, we ain't got an earth. And then that's the other side. Well, that's still battery voltage. So it's missing its earth, guys. And you can see I've cut my knuckle. Right? This is how determined I was to show Eugene, X Factor, honestly, Google him, just how this circuit works and what we're doing. Because this is how you teach modern apprentices. One, he shouldn't be an apprentice because he's world famous. But he needs to know what a live and earth is and why it is and what it is. So guys in the comments, throw out there how you test it, but that's how I test it. It needs one of these little switches. Hello. Cut knuckles. Eugene, X Factor, Google him, honestly. Anyway, I digress. There's my little bit of diag for the day. It needs a new one of these. And the wiring just goes up into the roof up here. So a new one of these are about £8,412 plus VAT, plus a world famous person from X Factor is going to sign it as well, eh? So we might get a little bit of lipstick for him on this mirror. Anyway, I'm gonna go and have a librarian off, and we'll see you in a bit. Love you, bye.